Sora 2.0 has just been released and is meant to be more powerful, realistic, controllable, and safer than the original version. And after testing it myself, I have to say, it's quite impressive. With this version, we have some new improvements that take the AI video creation process to a whole nother level. And the only catch is that it's only available in the United States of America, and you need an invite code. So I'll show you how you can access it from anywhere in the world and get the invite code all for free. Alright, let's take a look at some of the videos.
Captain, keep your hands on the wheel! You almost wiped out 3 cars back there! Put it in park, now!
I'm sorry, officer, I just...
Don't move, doors locked, unlock it, right now!
I can't get a ticket.
Hey, stop the car!
Yeah, this looks super realistic, to be honest. I would not actually be able to tell if this was a real video or not, if there was an actual person driving.
Look at you, buddy! Canopy's out, and we got left! Good boy! Take a left turn, check out...
Yeah, it's actually pretty accurate, and now there's also audio, which makes the video overall better. This is actually quite impressive, I'm not gonna lie.
Hi.
Have you heard of my Sora 2?
Can't say I have. What's that?
It's a video generator, but I'm much better live.
Smooth. Buy me a drink and maybe I'll let you pitch it.
Already did.
These Sam Altman videos also are extremely funny. So if Sora doesn't work where you live, you just need to use a VPN. I'm currently using the Opera browser, which has a built-in VPN, and all I need to do is connect to it and connect to an American server, and then we're good to go. So in order to get the invite codes, you just need to head to OpenAI's Discord server, and under the suggested tab, you have the Sora 2 codes, and in there, people are literally just dropping codes, so just grab one, just like I did. Took me like 10 seconds. You will see people sharing their code, and just grab one right there. Now that you have your VPN completed and the Sora codes, you're good to go. So this looks like a regular TikTok or Instagram page with comments, and you can share the video and etc. When I click on this VPN button right here, it says that we're protected and we're using the American server, and this is all for free. Down here you tap your prompts. You can probably also make some really high quality anime videos like these two right here. So if I click on this one, let's take a quick look at this one. The sound and music is really impressive, and it looks like this guy is using Sora Pro or something because the quality is just way higher than usual, and it works just like a regular social media. Pretty cool. And obviously they're making fun of Sam Altman, so let's take a look at this.
Your break is over. Can you get back to work?
What the hell, man?
And yeah, even the people in the comment section find this really funny. I don't know why he decided to allow this to happen, but it is what it is. So in order to create any of these videos, you just type in your prompt and you can choose the ratio. You can choose between a landscape and a portrait. And using the cameo feature, you can add your own character, like you can upload the image of your face or somebody else, and after you just choose your character, type the prompt, the video gets created. It also looks like you can add an image as a starting frame, which is really cool. And yeah, this one looks really nice. Let's take a look at it.
This ride is full throttle. Threading neon alleys at breakneck speed. Good.
Yeah, this looks like it's out of a video game. It's super impressive. Even the anime style looks really sick. I'm pretty sure once they decide to roll out fully, people will be able to create at least 20-minute videos of animes and cartoons, so it's pretty cool. And all just by typing in a prompt. If you live in the US, you should definitely check out the iOS app because the interface is probably way smoother. And yeah. So the prompt used to create this one was literally just Tupac Shakur, his name, makes his entrance in a 1990s ECW arena, and this prompt alone with this model generated a slow-mo effect.
In California, weighing in at 215 pounds, the outlaw icon.
Did you catch it? It's pretty cool that an AI model is able to do this.
Definitely gonna happen. Knew this was enough.
And yeah, Sam Altman is just getting completely clowned on his own app, so it's pretty hilarious.
Definitely gonna happen, but we wanted to build up hype for the first few days. Gotcha.
Yeah, when this fully rolls out, you'll not be able to tell that this is AI. It'll be interesting to see how people use it. Now, after watching some videos, we now understand what Sora 2.0 is capable of. So let's compare it to other AI video generation models like Google VO3 and Luma AI's model to see which one is the best. Alright, first up is the VO3.
So if a man identifies as a fish, should we toss him into the Hudson?
Only if he promises not to date my goldfish.
Day 47. No lions. Not one. I've fought 0 cats, but I've seen 3 chihuahuas.
Ma'am, you look incredible. What's your secret?
I married a wealthy man when I was 21, haven't worked a day since. That is the secret, darling.
So the VO3 model gives you more realism, lets you choose higher quality, and it does not add a watermark. The scene cuts are smooth, which makes the final video look clean, but the only downside is that it's pretty expensive and it can have some deformations. We've already gone through Sora 2 videos, but let's take a look at one more.
Keep your hands on the wheel!
You almost wiped out 3 cars back there. Put it in park now.
I'm sorry, officer. I just...
Don't move. Latch is locked. Open it right now. Stop the car.
He's still southbound, weaving through traffic, 88 miles an hour.
Out of the way! Mamma mia!
Are live over Interstate 75 where that red go-kart driven by the man known as Super Mario is still running from troopers.
Yeah, so the Sora videos on the other hand is much more controllable, flexible, and is very fun to use. It's free and it allows you to add people's faces, which gives you even more control. Alright, Ray 3 is the last AI model. So this one is pretty expensive, but it's high quality. The highest paid version also allows you to create top tier AI content that's super realistic. You can barely tell that it's AI generated. Overall, I think the Sora 2 model wins this one because it's just way more fun to use, way more controllable, and it's also free. So it's pretty good. It looks like Sora has an iOS only app where you can watch videos just like you would on TikTok and Instagram. And you simply just swipe through the feed to see other people's videos, or you can create your own. But on the Sora app, all the content is entirely made with AI, and the app works just like it does in the browser. You enter a prompt describing a scene and upload an image to give the scene some reference, and that is everything.